Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're working on our whirlpool refrigerator and we are going to replace the filter that's all the way down at the bottom. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, inside the kitchen now, and a side-by-side whirlpool branded refrigerator. Nothing fancy. However, down below you've got your railing here. And check that little piece out right here. You have a push button, and this is the cap that goes on your internal filter. And the coolest part about this design, you don't have to turn any water shutoff valves off. You just carefully push this button and pull your filter out. And if it drips a little bit of water, that's normal. However, from here you have a cap. And what I did was change camera directions, and you have a little slot here, as well as on the opposite side. Just counterclockwise, pull this cap off, just like that. You need to keep this part. The new filter does not come with this cap. This is important. Do not throw this cap away. Up on the countertop now, and your replacement filter, all you want to do is either go to the Whirlpool or your refrigerator manufacturer website and purchase it. However, in our case, our filter part number is right there, as you can see, 4396841. And when you're searching the web, make sure your filter looks the same prior to purchasing it. It's leaking a little bit of water. However, we did this a couple of days ago, and we already purchased our new filter. Let's go ahead and open up the box. New filter is out of the box, and this is the exact same filter. Let's go ahead and open the package. And what I'll do is I remove this new filter. I'll just go ahead and set the old filter in the packaging and dispose of it. Bye, old filter. You will notice the brand new filter is very light because it has no water inside. Go ahead and remove this cap here and this cap clockwise. Go ahead and insert it onto the brand new filter and make sure it is locked in place. From here, we need to insert it. It's a good time to inspect your internal hole that your filter will go into. Make sure nothing's going to interfere with it, and carefully insert the lettering up, and your protective shield on the cap is the top portion. Go ahead and push this in place. Push it in until this clicks or pushes out. Just like that. And as you can see, YouTubers, that took just a few minutes. And if you prepare it properly, heck, it could take you even 30 seconds to do this. Hopefully this helps. YouTubers, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Hey, once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. And one more thing, YouTubers. Talking about filtration systems, we just installed a brand new reverse osmosis system. Hey, if you want step-by-step guidance on installing one of these, we've got a video link scrolling above. Definitely check that out. Reverse osmosis systems are awesome. So basically, we're using this for our drinking water, and then we are using that for the water supply for our ice machine inside our freezer.